Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up an SMS list on Shopify. First, navigate to your Shopify admin and head to the App Store. Search for SMS marketing applications. There are many options available, so take your time to compare features such as automation capabilities, customer segmentation, and detailed analytics. Many apps offer a free trial or a free tier for up to 50 subscribers, allowing you to test them out before committing. Once you've selected an app, click Add App and follow the installation prompts. You'll need to grant the app certain permissions to access your store data, which is crucial for its operation. After installation, dive into the app settings. Here, you'll typically set up your sender ID, which is the name or number customers will see, and define your initial opt-in methods, such as pop-ups or checkboxes. Now it's time to grow your SMS subscriber list. Shopify offers several ways to capture phone numbers. You can add pop-up forms that appear after a visitor spends a certain amount of time on your site, or embed forms directly onto specific pages. Crucially, enable the SMS opt-in checkbox during the checkout process. Offering a small incentive, like a 10% discount on their next purchase, can significantly boost sign-ups. With your list growing, the next step is to segment your subscribers. Group customers based on their purchase history, browsing behavior, or demographics. This allows for highly targeted campaigns. Then, set up automated messages, a welcome series for new subscribers, abandoned cart reminders within 30 minutes, and post-purchase follow-ups. Personalizing these messages can lead to a 20% increase in engagement and higher conversion rates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.